वक्फ संशोधन विधेयक को लेकर भाजपा नेता तिमिली साई सुंदरराजन ने कहा, मेरा एक सवाल यह है कि विपक्षी पार्टियां वक्फ बिल का विरोध क्यों कर रही है। ये विधेयक उन जमीनों को नियमित करने के लिए लाया गया है जो गलत तरीके से वक्फ के नाम पर हड़पी गई। यहाँ तक कि आम नागरिकों की जमीनें भी इसमें शामिल हैं।
No, that and all, that is law will take its own course. But I am asking why the opponent parties are opposing the Waqf bill. Because the Waqf bill is to regularize the land problems so that it is acquired by the Waqf board. Even the common people's land has been grabbed by them. So it is the systematizing the land acquisition. And it is useful for, it is welcomed by even the Islamic brothers and sisters, in the Christian brothers and sisters. It is politically, it is opposed. So another thing I allege the Tamil Nadu CM is politicizing everything. In spite of the bill passed in both in Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, he is condemning that in the assembly, and totally it is projected as if it is against the Islamic population, Islamic brothers and sisters, which is not that. So already you have to ask why they gave the Kachetivu. It is the part of our country. It was the part of our country during the DMK rule. The Indira Gandhi government gave it to the Sri Lankan government, and even the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, then Chief Minister Karunanidhi knows that. But now they are dramatizing as if they want, we have to get back it. We all for it, get back. So only BJP also voted for it. But we condemn the drama enacted by the DMK government.